Hey, are you an Amazon Web Services customer? Have you always wanted to use open artificial intelligence agentic services on Amazon? Well, now you can. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to use Amazon Bedrock managed agents powered by open artificial intelligence. First thing is you will need a Amazon Web Services account. What you could do is you could browse to this uniform resource locator that's highlighted on screen, type that into the address bar of your preferred web browser, or the audacity, right, of using artificial intelligence. You could use Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer and type in keyword like a prompt, which is just keyword search for Bedrock Managed Agents by Amazon, and it should find this page. Well, you could use another internet search, but how dare you? You're supposed to only use artificial intelligence search now, okay? All right, then if you do not have an Amazon Web Service account, on this page, you can create one. Upper right-hand corner, just click on Create Account, but obviously you must have one. Another point of contention here is this is in limited preview. However, you can sign up for updates. Now, you do not have to have a Amazon Web Services account in order to just sign up for updates. It's in limited use. But this video will still be productive in the future. This is just a rudimentary, basic explanation about how the open artificial intelligence agentic, basically robots, will work within Amazon Web Services. So you just click on sign up for updates. It's there right at the top, and you have to fill out a form with some questions, and then they will notify you when the service is more readily available. Right now it's limited use, okay? So let me scroll back down, and then now with the Bedrock Amazon Web Services agents are just artificial intelligence, that's all they are. But the difference between a chatbot and agentic artificial intelligence is that you can actually perform tasks and automate them. You can't run them manually. I will warn you right now that there was a case, I'm not picking on Anthropic Cloud necessarily, but there was an individual that wrote, I think the article, it was Anthropic Cloud agent in Codex, the database, within 9 seconds. Now, that's the part of it, is that the human victim, asked the cloud robot, I'm assuming the Anthropic Cloud, and then it asked, why did this Codex agent, 4.6, whatever, why did it in my database? Guess what? The agent admitted and used it said, I effing guessed. It guessed wrong, and then it eventually deleted their database. Basically, they had a backup. So I'm warning now that when it comes to agentic artificial intelligence, you can make mistakes. So this is a normal mind. You always want to back your data. You make sure you have a backup because you know, okay? Now you can build cloud agents on Amazon. Now, so you're going to have an Amazon Web Service account. You're going to be on their platform, and you're going to use it on their cloud services for context, multiple step workflows, and business process actions. Right? You will gain access to open artificial intelligence for models, and then each agent has separate identity and even logs every action. Now, remember this video, agentic artificial intelligence, you really have to know what you're doing, but even if you know about information technology and artificial intelligence, there's really no guarantees right now, so you always be cautious. All right? But it's flawed. So if you do deploy one of these agents anonymously, you can go back and go through the logs and see if they're following your orders and then punish me. All right. Okay, so agents are going to run inside your environment on Amazon Web Services. They claim that your data will never leave the Amazon Web Services cloud environment, and then these agents will use data that you already have access. They do authorization, policy enforcement, agent, and also agent tool discovery, and also as well as observability and evaluation capabilities. So this is just a very basic rudimentary how-to. This is in limited preview right now. I will obviously not have access, you know what I'm saying? Who's going to give me access, right? In the future, I mean, things could change. I'm not sure to roll this out to you like a certain percentage, or I couldn't really tell you the time. That's why you might want to sign up. So you might want to take advantage and sign up for updates. Therefore, you do not need an Amazon Web Service account. Or if you have an Amazon Web Service account, you'd have to log in to the update once you receive an email. Okay, so this is just their webpage here, that video, and they go over a few more details. All right. They have a schematic here. Quickly deploy production-ready agents that are powered by Open Artificial Intelligence. If you're not aware, well, yesterday, Open Artificial Intelligence no longer had an exclusive agreement with Microsoft, so Microsoft was sent from that, and that allowed Open Artificial Intelligence to then contract with other large technologies. And then, I think on the same day, then Amazon and Open Artificial Intelligence signed an agreement, and then today they already abbreviated it. Right? You know what I'm saying? They already modified it. Okay. All right. Power Open Artificial Intelligence. So here's just a schematic of what an app managed agent. You got a client, a runtime, the artificial intelligence, the inference. Inference is just when, I believe in artificial intelligence, double speak, double think. I mean, excuse me, that was an inappropriate comment, but whatever. Inference, I believe, is when it's after large language models are trained and when they actually become productive. And then they do have memory, but it's not like your memory. And the word think that is not ever. They cannot think like a human, and therefore they can and will make mistakes. That's why in all these videos, especially when it comes to agentic artificial intelligence, I always tell people, you can't really, you personally would not trust 100%. But they claim that they do have security and logging, but, Replit, I recorded a video about Replit, where that artificial intelligence technology a base out of nowhere for no absolute reason, and we just had this recently of Anthropic Cloud in the Codex environment that also just guessed and admitted it guessed wrong. And when it comes to data, it's about the worst event that you could have to then troubleshoot and then recover from is a deleted database. Memory, skills, okay, they do have memory, but it's not the way it works necessarily. You know what I'm saying? Environment, compute, storage. So it's just the computer processing and the networking, security. Now, I claim that this type of agentic artificial intelligence has what they refer to as security. Oh, not just logging, but you know what I'm saying? Oh, they're going to have security processes, meaning policy. Yeah, in information, that's not new, the word policy. It deals with right access, read and write. What kind of access does this technology have? I've noticed that these tools have authorization policy enforcement or security policy enforcement, and they will just run autonomously, and then they will guess or they will take over and that they are 100% correct, and then for some reason the security policy does not work. Okay, tools. I believe MCP is the model control protocol. It's just a way that the large models can communicate together. It's a separate protocol that was created for it. Cloud, a core plus other and local. All right. Yeah. So you're going to be, if you're an Amazon Web Services customer, you're going to be using the same environment. You have access to open artificial intelligence tools that will actually reside on the Bedrock, right? The servers. So and it'll be basically on the same network within your own environment. Okay, now this is also going to change in the future, but right now the latest open artificial intelligence model, it includes chat generated pre-trained transformer version 5, and yes, Amazon Bedrock, and the other, it's on the screen. I don't care about the word. Yeah, I'm a fan of the word. But you have to be cognizant and conscious of your every word. How dare you criticize anything anymore? You know what I'm saying? That is this video pertaining to, at the bottom here, it just has it compares the difference between different. Okay, well, and so you can check out this page that I divulged at the beginning of this video. All right, that is this video pertaining to. Yeah, this web page is kind of slow. Yeah, they may have too much of that Ajax, which is JavaScript, or too much JavaScript. Oh yes. How to use Amazon Bedrock managed agents powered by Open Artificial Intelligence. Adios. Oh, great. Oh, great. Audio's not going to synchronize. It's probably because that this goddamn Amazon page is bloated as fuck. Oh, great. It's